Hey, what is going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we are going to be looking at a Tesla Model Y Performance. So this thing here, my neighbor has been kind enough to let me do a review on this thing, and it is beautiful. So before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and hit that little bell. Shout out to my neighbor for lending his brand new Tesla Performance Model Y for this review. Check out his channel called Coda Corso. Click that link below and subscribe to his channel too. So let's get started. The Model Y comes as the performance model or the long range. According to Tesla's website, the performance model gets an estimated 303 miles with a top speed of 155 miles per hour, while the long range gets 330 miles, topping out at 135 miles per hour. The performance model hits 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds, while the long range will get you there in 4.8 seconds. Both come with dual motor all-wheel drive. They also have a 4-year 50,000 mile, whichever comes first, basic vehicle warranty, and an 8-year 120,000 mile, whichever comes first, battery and drive unit warranty. This particular model comes with 4 doors and a hatchback trunk. The midnight silver metallic paint was extra. This one has 21-inch matte black wheels, a carbon fiber spoiler, and full LED lighting. Charge time varies depending on what the car is hooked up to. The car comes with a 120 volt outlet adapter that will give you an additional 3 miles of range per hour it charges. You order a wall connector that'll speed things up to 44 miles of range per hour charged. And the superchargers that you see in certain areas will juice it up to 200 miles in 15 minutes. Here we're looking at the super clean black and white premium interior. The red and black floor mats are a great contrast. It has a 12 volt power outlet, 6 USB ports, dual zone climate controls, 1-touch power windows, voice activated controls, and a high definition backup camera. Speaking of cameras, this car has 8 of them, plus 12 ultrasonic sensors to help the vehicle detect exterior obstacles. The roof you're seeing is tinted glass with infrared and ultraviolet light protection. In terms of safety, it has 3-point safety belts for all passengers and 6 front row and 2 side curtain airbags. Okay, let's poke around the front some more. We're going to see a lot of storage space. Here in the lower front console we have some storage space here, and there's actually more storage space under that stuff that we're looking at. The center armrest opens up and gives you a ton more storage space. Comes down nice and smooth. Can't get over how nice these red and black mats are. And those pedals are performance pedals. Looking smooth. We've got a 3-seat bench for the back. From the back you can see the 15-inch touchscreen control. This gives you access to pretty much everything. The radio, speed of the car, it tells you everything. From here we can see the back seat that has the adapter package, and then you can see out the window of the back seat right there. This is how you open up the back seat from the outside. A lot of space here. That little package right there is the adapter. Pressing that actually helps you drop the back seat down. And right here you can see that there is a 12-volt plug in the back. In the front, since there's no motor, you've got extra storage space called a frunk. That's where you can put in the windshield wiping fluid. Overall, I think it's a great car from a great company. The only thing that really concerns me is the right to fix. I like to be able to fix my own stuff if I'm able to. So hopefully they'll relax those regulations later on. But other than that, I think it's a great car. It comes with a lot of features that are loaded up in the software, and you can't really go wrong with this thing. Anyway, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it down below. I also have another channel called Top Tier Trivia. I'll include that link in the description. Y'all have yourselves a great day.